This is a generational business that started a little over 37 years ago. I started at the herb farm in 2007, took over the kitchen in 2011, and then was fortunate enough to actually purchase the restaurant in 2021. I like to say I outlasted people. My name's Chris. I'm the chef and co-owner of the herb farm restaurant. We have 5 acres of farmland that we manage and that produces food for the restaurant. Running a restaurant like the herb farm requires wearing many different hats. As a chef, you're used to organizing things physically, but when it transitions into having to do that mentally, you really do need some tools and some help. One of the biggest benefits that we've seen from M365 is creating a common language amongst several different departments. We use Microsoft Access as a method of tracking guest relationships, including things as sensitive as allergens or dietary preferences. We also use OneDrive as kind of a central place to hold a lot of information and make sure it's accessible to everybody in the company. Being able to use a program like Excel to see what's in the field in real time can directly affect what we serve that same night for dinner. It allows us to be more spontaneous with the dinners we serve each night. The herb farm is a place that I would say evolves more than changes. It's been owned by 3 different generations now, and each generation has put small pieces of themselves into the business. We act as shepherds for the next generation.